Is your phone really rotting your brain? New 2024 Oxford study says perhaps, but here's the catch, it's not the screen. Let's break down the science without hysteria. The term, brain rot, was first used in 1854, but today, it's taken on a digital twist. In 2024, it became Oxford's word of the year, capturing a growing fear that endless online content might be reshaping our minds. Researchers and policymakers are now racing to understand what this means for mental health and society. A 2024 meta-analysis in Neuropsychology Review compared 8 studies tracking 5,000+ teens. Key fact: participants who scrolled 5+ hours daily had less gray matter in brain regions involved in memory and decision-making. And yet, it wasn't all screen time. The worst effects were from zombie scrolling, through low-quality material, like infinite TikTok loops. A 2020 JAMA Pediatrics DTI study discovered that preschoolers who had high screen time had less white matter tract integrity needed for literacy and language. They had 12% less fractional anisotropy, a measure of healthy brain wiring, than low-screen users. Although concerning, the study also found improvement after reducing screen time. The same study discovered improvement after only 1 month of decreased screen time. Your brain reward system loves novelty. Each like or viral video provides dopamine, a mental slot machine. Long term, that trains your brain to favor quick hits over deep focus. One study found avid scrollers had 15% poorer attention spans, akin to mild sleep deprivation. Here's the twist: social media acts like a toxic public good. Even though social media seems harmless, its overuse can harm public mental health. In a 2024 comparison to the tragedy of the commons, excessive individual use subtracts from communal mental well-being. A platform that prioritizes dirty consumption, low-quality content results in a 37% higher teen self-harm risk for every 2 hours of daily consumption. While social media is often blamed for depression, studies show it depends on how it's used. For instance, a 2024 Journal of Multidisciplinary Healthcare study discovered that adolescents who used apps passively, scrolling only, had 2 times more anxiety than those who were creating content or messaging with friends. It's not the tool, it's how you use it. Gen Z is not blindly addicted, they're aware. Oxford's 2024 report found teens often joke about brain rot as a coping mechanism, which can hide real risks. A Turkish study found 68% of college students self-identified as TikTok addicts but downplayed harm, viewing it as normalized humor. This cultural dismissal masks real danger. 14-year-olds with 4+ daily social media hours have a 19% higher probability of self-harm. Good news: brain changes aren't irreversible. In a 2023 Stanford trial, volunteers substituted 1 hour of scrolling with offline activities for 6 weeks. Result: memory scores improved by 18%. Even small changes can rewire habits. Not all content is created equal. A 2022 Frontiers in Psychology study discovered that users who consumed learning TikTok content, for example science lessons, had higher critical thinking scores compared to non-users. In contrast, junk content like drama and pranks dissolved focus. The quality of your feed is more important than screen time itself. So, how do you prevent brain rot without going cold turkey on the internet? Let's talk solutions. Actionable takeaways. Step 1. Audit your scrolls. Screens such as screen time or freedom reveal what content drains you. End doomscrolling accounts. Follow creators who teach skills or brighten your day. Step 2. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Gaze at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds every 20 minutes. Saves eyes and refocuses. Step 3. Take a digital detox challenge. Norway's 2024 Screen-Free Sundays campaign reduced anxiety levels by 12% in pilot communities. This is school, not doctor's orders. If screen time is affecting your sleep or mood, go to a therapist or neurologist. Your brain is worth it. Your phone isn't the bad guy, it's how you use it. Need a 30-day detox program? Smash that subscribe. Stay curious, stay balanced.